You have just gotten your first paycheck in the United States. Congratulations. But when you open it, something feels wrong. The number is smaller than you expected. Where did the rest of the money go? You are not alone. Almost every newcomer asks this question. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what a paycheck looks like, what every line means, why you are not getting all the money you earned, and where it actually goes. Every paycheck has two very important numbers. The first is called gross pay. Gross pay is the full amount of money you've earned. If you've worked 40 hours and your job pays you $15 an hour, your gross pay is $600. But you will not receive $600. The second number is called net pay. Net pay is what you actually get, the money that goes into your bank account. The difference between those two numbers? That is money that gets taken out automatically. Let's look at what gets taken and why. The money that gets removed from your paycheck is called a deduction. Some deductions go to the government. These are called taxes. The first one is federal income tax. This goes to the United States government and pays for things like roads, schools, and the military. The second is state income tax. This goes to the government of your state. Not every state has this, however. Texas and Florida, for example, do not. Then there are two more, Social Security and Medicare. These are programs that help older and retired people. You pay into them now, and when you are older, you can use them too. Taxes are not the only thing removed. If your job offers health insurance, the cost may come directly out of your paycheck. This is actually a good thing. Employer health plans are usually much cheaper than buying insurance on your own. You may also see something called a 401k. This is a special savings account for retirement, your future self. Many employers will even add extra money to match what you save. We will make a full video about the 401k soon, but for now, just know, if your job offers it, it is usually a very good idea to use it. When you receive your paycheck, it usually comes with a paper or a digital document that shows all the details. This is called a pay stub. Do not ignore it. It is very important. At the top, you will see your name and the dates you worked. That is called the pay period. Then you see your gross pay, the full amount. In the middle, each deduction is listed with its dollar amount. And at the very bottom, you will find your net pay. That is the real number. That is what goes into your bank account. Get used to reading this every single time you are paid. One more thing you need to know. Every January, your employer will send you a document called a W-2. It shows all the money you made and all the taxes you paid during the whole year. You need this document to file your taxes, which means to report your income to the government each year. Filing taxes is required in the United States, even if you are not a citizen. Do not let this scare you. There are free programs to help you, and we will make a full video about taxes just for immigrants very soon. For now, just remember, keep your W-2 safe. You will need it. Your paycheck is not just a number. It is a document, and learning to read it is one of the most important money skills you can have in this country. Gross pay is what you earned. Net pay is what you take home. And deductions are what comes out in between. Once you understand this, you are already ahead. At Novi Opus, we are here to make sure no newcomer faces this system alone. If you have questions, drop them in the comments or visit our website. The link is right below. See you in the next video.